morning, folks. Good morning, folks. What's going on in the bee yard today? Bees are just waking up, starting to go out and forage a little bit. Got my thumb in the way, I think. Let's see if we can't get in a little closer. See if anything's happening yet. They're just checking it out, kind of getting ready. A few of them flying out to see if they can find anything. Not much going on there. That one swarmed a few weeks ago, probably doesn't have as many bees. And some of them just sleeping still here this morning. Let's see. Get a little closer look. There you go. Yep. They're just waking up. Like me, I'm just waking up. Out here in the stump garden. Didn't have any bears last night. Let's take a little better look and get this. So I guess the bears learned his lesson for a while. Don't get into my electric fence. Girl's just climbing around. There's birds singing and a dog barking. Checking it out. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, happy day. Still a little cool. They'll be flying today for sure.